Hello everyone, welcome back to PPS SPARK. I am Regan and this is our 6th app development video. Today we are building a fun little dice app. If you are new to app development, don't worry at all. You can always check out our previous videos for better clarity and understanding. Shall we start?
Okay, let's go.
For this app, I am going to use 6 elements. 2 visible elements, 4 non-visible elements. Visible elements, non-visible elements? Yes. First we want to make a layout. I'm going to use vertical arrangement, okay? Then I'm going to use one label and then button. Roll. We have one dice and then one roll button also. Now I am going to use one sensor. Sensor, yes, because the sensor is accelerometer sensor. I'm using accelerometer sensor. That sensor using for whenever user shaking the mobile phone, that time our dice also roll. So I am going to give accelerometer sensor. After that, I am using sound also. Why sound? That dice rolling sound. So I using sound. After that, I need one clock. Why clock? Clock also one sensor. I want to give one delay for rolling dice. If dice will giving immediate number, it's not look like real. So I give clock also. After that, finally I give text to speech. Yes, text to speech. It's here. Okay. I'm using two visible elements and then four non-visible components. Okay. This is our designer side. Shall we move to the block side? Before that, we want to give one sound for sound file. Upload file. Choose from file. Block side, I am going to select the sensor. When sensor shaking, I want to do something. Yes. Whenever accelerometer sensor shaking, that time you give the sound. What sound? That rolling sound. Okay. After that, I'm going to give time interval for dice rolling. So where is that time interval? Oh, here. Set clock on time interval. Okay. You know that 2000 milliseconds is a 2 second. Okay. After that, I'm going to give the random number for label. That means dice. I'm going to give random number. So I'm going to select a mat. Random one from. I'm going to give that random 1 to 6 because our dice have 6 side only. So 1 to 6. After that, finally, I'm going to give my message as a speech also. Whenever whatever we will give our dice showing 3, that time it will tell 3. So I'm going to select this one. What's that one? Label.text. So here it is. Label1.text. Okay. After that, here I'm giving for mobile shaking rolling. After I'm going to give whenever user check the button. When button one click. Same thing. Same thing for rolling out option also. Okay, that's all. Whenever user shake, that time dice will roll. Another, if user taking the roll button, that time also our dice will roll. This is our simple basic dice application.
I hope you all enjoyed this session and learned how to create a dice app. If you have any doubt, just drop them in the comment section. I'll clear them up in our upcoming videos. And don't forget to share this video with your friends. Also subscribe to our channel for our future interesting tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.